Mathematics class 11 chapter 13 limits and derivatives. In the last class we have started exercise 13.2 up to question number 6 we have completed. Today we shall study the remaining questions. Question number 7. For some constant a and b, find the derivative of Roman number 1 fx is equal to x minus a into x minus b. Open the bracket, so x into x is x square, x into minus b is minus bx, minus a into x is minus ax, minus a into minus b is plus ab. Now we shall differentiate with respect to x. So f dash x equal to d by ds of x square. From these two terms I can take minus x common. Okay. So when you take minus common, here remains b plus a, that I can write as a plus b. And the x which I am taking can be written as d by ds of x plus d by ds of ab. Now here x square, here x power 1, so we can use the formula d by ds of x power n, which gives you n into x power n minus 1. So here instead of n, 2, so you use 2 into x power 2 minus 1, so 2 into x power 2 minus 1, minus a plus b as it is, here x power 1, so you can write 1 into x power 1 minus 1, plus this is a constant term, so it will be 0. So 2 x power 2 minus 1 is 1, that is 2x, minus a plus b and x power 0, which is 1. Okay, so this is the derivative of the given function. Roman number 2, fx is equal to ax square plus b whole square. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash x equal to d by dx of ax square plus b whole square. Now this you take as the x power n. Power is 2, so we will use the same formula, d by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. So here n is 2, so 2 into a x square plus b power 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now here this is not only x, the formula is only for x. Here something more than x is there. That means you have to do this value also derivative. So we have to do this as into d by dx of the base, which is not done. We did only for this. So ax square plus b. So 2 ax square plus b as it is, and here a is as it is. X square derivative, again use the same formula, x power n, that is n into x power n minus 1. So 2 into x power 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus b is a constant, so it will be 0. Okay, this a will not be 0 because it has got x square. So what you get here, 2 into 2 4, ax into ax square plus b. So that is solution for Roman number 2. Roman number 3, fx is equal to x minus a divided by x minus b. This is like u by v or fx by gx, quotient form. Okay, so we shall use the formula d by dx of u by v. So denominator as it is, differentiate the numerator, that is u dash, minus now numerator u as it is and differentiate denominator, that is v dash, divide by square of the denominator, that is v square. So that is the formula we shall apply for here. This is u and this is your v. So f dash x equal to v as it is, so denominator as it is, that is x minus b, derivative of numerator, that is d by dx of x minus a, minus, that is from the formula, numerator now as it is, that is x minus a as it is, d by dx of the denominator, so denominator is x minus b, divide by square of denominator, that is x minus b whole square. So x minus b as it is, here you have to do individually. So x d by dx of x minus d by dx of a, minus x minus a as it is, d by dx of x minus d by dx of b. Here x minus b as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 and this is constant, so it is 0, minus x minus a as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 and this is constant, so 0, and this x minus b whole square as it is. Okay, this we have done here already, that x power d by dx of x, right? So this is the derivative, that is when we differentiate it is 1. Why? Because it is x power 1. So you use 1 into x power 1 minus 1. So 1 into x power 1 minus 1, x power 0, but x power 0 is 1. So this derivative is 1. Okay, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So that is what directly I have written. So here 1 into x minus b, so you get x minus b, minus 1 into x minus a, so you get minus x, and this minus a minus plus a. Denominator x minus b whole square as it is, equal to plus x minus x cut, here a minus b, divide by x minus b whole square. So that is solution for Roman number 3. Question number 8. Find the derivative of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a for some constant a. So call this as fx equal to x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. Differentiate with respect to x. This also is u by v form. Okay, so we shall use this formula same. I am not rewriting, but we'll use the same formula u by v. Okay, so let us apply here. So f dash x equal to denominator x minus a as it is. Differential the numerator, so d by dx of x power n minus a power n, minus now numerator as it is, x power n minus a power n as it is, and derivative, that is d by dx of the denominator x minus a, divide by square of the denominator, that is x minus a whole square. X minus a as it is, this is derivative of x power n is direct formula, n into x power n minus 1. Okay, and this is a power n, that is a constant, so 0, minus x power n minus a power n as it is, x derivative with respect to x is 1, and this is constant, so 0. Okay, already I said that x with respect to x is 1. So here just I am multiplying here, so n x into x power n minus 1 minus a into n, that is n a x power n minus 1. Okay, minus x power n minus n minus plus a power n 1 minus 0, that is 1. That's why I can open the bracket here, and denominator x minus a whole square as it is, and this is x power 1 into x power n minus 1. So if you combine the power, you get x power n minus 1 plus 1 gives you x power n, so n into x power n minus this a into n into x power n minus 1. Okay, minus x power n plus a power n divided by x minus a whole square. Okay, this one x minus a whole square, this is just bringing as it is, right? And this I am just rearranging this one. So that is solution for question number 8. Question number 9, find the derivative of Roman number 1 fx equal to 2x minus 3x, differentiate with respect to x. So f dash x equal to 2 times d by dx of x minus d by dx of 3 by 4 equal to 2 into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus this is a constant, so 0, equal to 2 into 1 is 2. So that is the solution. Roman number 2, fx equal to 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 into x minus 1. This you can either use product rule like u into v. Here I am going to open the bracket and solve this. Okay, so 5x cube into x is 5x power 4. 5x cube minus 1 is minus 5x cube. Then this you multiply, 3x into x is 3x square. 3x into minus 1 is minus 3x. Minus x, minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, now here let us simplify these two are like terms, so sum together. 5x power 4 as it is, minus 5x cube as it is, plus 3x square as it is, minus 3x minus x is minus 4x plus 1. Now differentiate with respect to x. So 5 d by dx of x power 4 minus 5 d by dx of x power 3 plus 3 d by dx of x power 4 minus 4 d by dx of x plus d by dx of 1. This is constant, so it will be 0, and all these are power x power n. So you will use this formula, d by dx of x power n gives you n into x power n minus 1. Okay, so 5 into x power n, that is x power 4 here, so 4 into x power 4 minus 1 minus 5 into x power 3, that is 3 into x power 3 minus 1 plus 3 into x square, that is 2 into x power 2 minus 1 minus 4 x power 1, so x power 1 minus 1 plus this is 1 is a constant, so it will be 0. So equal to f dash x equal to 5 into 4 is 20, x power 4 minus 1 is 3 minus 5 into 3 is 15, x power 3 minus 1 that is 2 plus 3 into 2 is 6, x power 2 minus 1 that is 1, 1 we do not write, minus 4 x power 0, x power 0 is 1, so it is only 4 here. So that is solution for Roman number 2 of question number 9. Roman number 3, fx is equal to x power minus 3, 5 plus 3x. So what we will do is, I will use u into v. Okay, you can open the bracket and solve this, making one polynomial. I shall do u into v. So differentiate with respect to x. The formula is keep one as it is and differentiate the other one, plus what you have differentiated keep as it is and differentiate which you have not differentiated. Okay, so here f dash x equal to x power minus 3 as it is, derivative of 5 plus 3x plus now this you keep as it is 5 plus 3x into d by dx of first one which you have not differentiated, that is x power minus 3. So x power minus 3 as it is, derivative of 5 is a constant number, so it is 0, plus 3 and x with respect to x derivative is 1, plus 5 plus 3x as it is, and x power minus 3 is minus 3 into x power minus 3 minus 1. Okay, using this formula, n into x power n minus 1. So n is minus 3, so minus 3 into x power minus 3 minus 1. Okay, using this same result. So here 3 x power minus 3 minus 3 x power minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 power, right? And this is 5 plus 3x equal to this power, x power minus 3 can be written in the denominator as 3 by x power 3 minus 3, and this x power minus 4 can be written in the denominator with the positive power, so 3 by x power 4, and this 5 plus 3x as it is. Now take LCM here. LCM is x power 4. So here x power 3 is there, so you need to multiply by x here. And these 3 which is common, take out, and the denominator which will be common, the LCM, take out. So we can write it as a 3 by x power 4. Multiply here by x. 3 is taken, so here x minus 5. Because of this minus, this plus will become minus 3x is equal to 3 by x power 4. X minus 3x gives you minus 2x, minus 5 as it is, equal to, from here take negative common, minus common, so you get minus 3 by x power 4, and this term will become positive as 5 plus 2x. Roman number 4, fx is equal to x power 5 into 3 minus 6 into x power minus 9. Here also you can do u into v, okay, but I will open the bracket and make one polynomial and solve this. Okay, so multiply x power 5 inside the bracket. So 3 into x power 5 minus 6 into x power minus 9 plus 5 gives you x power minus 4. Differentiate with respect to x. So f dash x equal to 3 into d by dx of x power 5 minus 6 d by dx of x power minus 4 equal to x power n, right? Use the same result which we have used before. D by dx of x power n gives you n into x power n minus 1. So here 3 into x power 5 is 5 into x power 5 minus 1, that is 4, minus 6, and this x power minus 4, same formula, okay, same one, x power n, that is minus 4, okay, I am writing here minus 4 into x power minus 4 minus 1. So here 3 into 5 is 15, x power 4 minus a minus plus 6 into 4 is 24 into x power minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Roman number 5, f of x is equal to x power minus 4, 3 minus 4 into x power minus 5. Okay, so here also open the bracket, or you use u into v. So I am opening the bracket, 3 into this, so 3 into x power minus 4 minus 4 into x power minus 5 minus 4. Total will be minus 9. Differentiate with respect to x. So f dash x equal to 3 into d by dx of x power minus 4 minus 4 into d by dx of x power minus 9. Okay, same formula apply here. So let us apply here. So 3 into, for here minus 4, x power minus 4 minus 1 minus 4, and this derivative will be minus 9, x power minus 9 minus 1. So 3 into minus 4 is minus 12, x power minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 4 into minus 9 is plus 36 into x power minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10 power. That is solution for Roman number 5. Roman number 6, fx is equal to 2 by x plus 1 minus x square by 3x minus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So f dash x equal to 2 d by dx of this x plus 1. I take in the numerator with the minus 1 power. And here I will use u by v form. So minus denominator 3x minus 1 as it is. Differentiate the numerator, that is d by dx of x square. Minus, now numerator as it is x square, d by dx of denominator, that is 3x minus 1. Divide by square of denominator, that is 3x minus 1 whole square. 2 as it is, and for this apply the same formula, x power n. Okay, so here n is minus 1 into x plus 1 power minus 1 minus 1, n minus 1. Okay, minus 3x minus 1 as it is, x square derivative by applying the formula x power n, it is 2x minus x square. Here 3, x derivative with x is 1 minus 0, so this derivative will be 3. Denominator 3x minus 1 whole square as it is. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Here x plus 1 power minus 2 minus 2x into 3 is 6x square. 2x into 1 is minus 2x minus this 3x square divided by denominator as it is. This power which is negative, take in the denominator and make it positive. Okay, so you can get here equal to minus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Minus 6x square minus 3x square gives you 3x square. Minus 2x as it is, denominator 3x minus 1 whole square as it is. Now here if you want you can take x common. Okay, otherwise this is the solution for Roman number 6. Question number 10. Find the derivative of cos x from first principle. Call this as the function fx. So let fx is equal to cos x. Then for first derivative we require f of x plus h. So f of x plus h will be, instead of x you put x plus h. So cos x plus h. Now by first principle the formula is f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h equal to limit h tends to 0, put the value. This value is this one, cos x plus h, minus fx is this much, cos x by h. Now here this is cos x minus cos y form. Okay, the formula we have done in the chapter 3 trigonometric functions. The formula is cos x minus cos y gives you minus 2 times sin x plus y by 2 and sine x minus y by 2. Okay, the first one called x, second one you call it as the y. So let us apply here this result. F dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, this minus 2 sine x plus y, so this plus this by 2, so x plus h plus x by 2 sine x minus y by 2, so sine x, that is this one, x plus h minus y, that is minus x by 2, divided by the denominator h. Limit h tends to 0, minus 2, and this h I am writing here. Sine x plus x is 2x plus h divided by 2 sine plus x minus x cut, so here remains h by 2. Then here I am going to rearrange. Okay, so limit h tends to 0, minus 2 sine 2x by 2 is x plus h by 2 into sine h by 2. This h I am taking here. Okay, and to use the identity I need to multiply and divide by 2 here. Okay, the formula is limit x tends to 0 sine x by x, that limit is 1. To use that, this has to be equal. So here h is there but 2 is not there, this is the denominator, so I am multiplying and dividing by 2. Okay, I write here divide and multiply by 2. Now this limit will be 1. Again this 2 and this 2 will cancel, right? So what you get is this minus here, and apply the limit also. So when you apply the limit here, sine x plus 0 by h, that is 0, into this limit is 1. Okay, this limit is 1. This limit is 1 equal to minus sine x. So we have proved that derivative of cos x is equal to minus sine x. So that is solution for question number 10. The formula which I am using for these limits, h by 2 divided by h by 2, h tends to 0, this limit is this much. Okay, this formula I am using, limit x tends to 0 sine x by x equal to 1. Okay, so that is what I am writing for you, that how this value is 1, because using this identity or the formula. Question number 11, find derivative of following functions. Roman number 1, fx is equal to sin x cos x. Differentiate with respect to x. This is like u into v. Okay, so we shall use the product rule. So f dash x equal to sin x as it is, differentiate cos x, plus now cos x as it is, differentiate sin x. Sin x as it is, derivative of cos, just now we put it is minus sin, so this is minus sin x plus cos x, and this I have given you in the previous classes, it is cos x. So this gives you minus sin into sin is sin square x, plus cos into cos is cos square x. This can be written as cos square x minus sin square x, but this is the formula of cos 2x, so this answer is cos 2x. Roman number 2, fx is equal to sec x. Differentiate with respect to x. So f dash x equal to d by dx of sec x. Derivative of sec is sec x into tan x. Roman number 3, fx equal to 5 sec x plus 4 cos x. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash x equal to 5 into d by dx of sec x plus 4 into d by dx of cos x. 5 as it is, derivative of sec is sec x into tan x. Minus, here it is plus 4, but derivative of cos is minus sign, right? We already proved here that, so it is minus sign, so this plus will become into minus sign. Okay, so this plus will become minus 4 sin x. So that is solution for Roman number 3. Number 4, fx is equal to cosec x. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash x equal to d by ds of cosec x, and derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Number 5, fx is equal to 3 cot x plus 5 cosec x. Differentiate with respect to x. So f dash x equal to 3 d by ds of cot x plus 5 d by ds of cosec x. D by ds 3 as it is, and derivative of cot x is minus cos x square x. So 3 as it is minus cos x square x for cot. 5 and derivative of cosec x is, we already wrote here, it is minus cosec x cot x. So plus will become minus. Okay, don't forget to change, and here also it is negative. Number 6, fx is equal to 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 7. Differentiate with respect to x. So f dash x equal to 5 d by dx of sin x minus 6 d by dx of cos x plus d by dx of 7. 5 as it is, derivative of sin is cos, minus 6 derivative of cos is minus sin x, plus this is constant which is 0. This already we proved. Okay, we have proved, and I have given you also in the previous class. So we can just write it directly. So 5 cos x minus and minus plus 6 sin x, and this value is 0. So that is solution for number 6. Number 7, fx is equal to 2 tan x minus 7 6 sec x. Differentiate with respect to x. So f dash x equal to 2 d by ds of tan x minus 7 d by ds of sec x. So 2 tan derivative is sec square x minus 7 sec derivative is sec x into tan x. So that is the solution for Roman number 7. And here we end the exercise 13.2. We'll keep this much for today. Thank you very much.